Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. This is Kissa Tech at your service, and we're thrilled to dive deep into the fascinating world of Oppo today, specifically focusing on the Oppo Reno 8T. This iconic device has been a game changer in the consumer electronics market, and if you're one of the proud owners of this stellar smartphone, you're in for a treat. Today, we're highlighting a specific yet crucial aspect of maintaining your Oppo Reno 8T, the LCD replacement. Understanding the Oppo Reno 8T. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of LCD replacement, let's take a moment to appreciate what makes the Oppo Reno 8T stand out. This smartphone is renowned for its sleek design, vibrant display, and impressive camera capabilities. With a robust performance driven by its powerful processor, coupled with a long-lasting battery, the Reno 8T offers a smooth user experience that appeals to both casual users and tech aficionados alike. One of the key features that often draws attention is its stunning AMOLED display, which delivers crisp colors and deep contrasts. However, with great beauty comes great responsibility. Screens are vulnerable to scratches, cracks, and other forms of damage. That's where understanding the LCD replacement process becomes essential. When do you need an LCD replacement? The need for an LCD replacement can arise from various scenarios, including 1. Cracks and damage. A drop can easily lead to cracks on your beautiful AMOLED screen. Even minor cracks can worsen over time, affecting both aesthetic appeal and functionality. 2. Display malfunctions. If you notice lines, flickers, or discoloration on your screen, it might be indicative of internal damage which requires an LCD replacement. 3. Liquid damage. Exposure to moisture can severely impact the screen's performance, leading to malfunctions that necessitate a replacement. 4. Touch screen issues. If your touch sensitivity seems off, or if portions of your screen become unresponsive, it is likely that the LCD is damaged and needs to be replaced. Choosing the right replacement part. Whether you opt for a DIY solution or a professional service, it's paramount to choose a high-quality replacement part. Here are some tips for finding the right LCD for your Oppo Reno 8T. 1. OEM parts. Original equipment manufacturer. OEM parts are recommended as they ensure the same quality and performance as the original screen. 2. Reputable sellers. Purchase from established retailers or authorized service centers to ensure you're getting authentic parts. 3. Warranty and return policy. Check if the replacement part comes with a warranty or return policy for additional assurance. In conclusion, maintaining your Oppo Reno 8T, particularly through LCD replacement, doesn't have to be a daunting task. Whether you choose to take the DIY route or seek professional assistance, understanding the process is crucial in ensuring your device remains in top-notch condition. Remember, your smartphone is more than just a device. It's a gateway to your digital world, and taking care of it will keep you connected in both your personal and professional lives. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips and insights from Kissa Tech. Until next time, keep exploring the tech landscape. Extra tips for screen care? 1. To prevent the need for future LCD replacements, you may want to consider incorporating some best practices. 2. Invest in a screen protector. This simple accessory can safeguard your screen against scratches and minor impacts. 3. Use a quality case. A good case can provide substantial protection against drops and shocks. 4. Be mindful of your surroundings. Always be cautious of where you place your phone. Avoid unstable surfaces and don't let it slip into pockets with sharp objects like keys. Your Oppo Reno 8T not only deserves the best in care, but can truly shine when maintained correctly. Happy teching!